Wow, I feel like I haven't traded at my setup in forever. But anyway, we're here. As you can see, news literally just hit. It's also Thursday. Thank God I'm actually at my setup. July has been the driest month ever so far. I'm going to show you my P&Ls for the month to show you that I haven't made a trade since I don't even know when. All right, so here we go. This week, 0 trades. 0. There has been 0 setups. Last week, we made 1 trade, and we only made 85 bucks. That was it. For the month, just still 85. Like, 1 trade this month. Even though it's still the beginning of the month, it's been very dry. So, just wanted to prove to you guys that I haven't done shit. That's why I haven't been posting a video. I haven't made or lost any money, which is good in a way, but we're dry. We're dry as fuck. This week has been nuts with news. Monday there was nothing. Tuesday, Powell was testifying, and Wednesday Powell was testifying. And I feel like Thursday and Friday will be all right. So let's make the most of Thursday and Friday. Let's get it. I'm hyped. All right, we're almost there. Just hit that level. We'll see what we can get. Now we wait. Oh wow. We're really dropping. I have to get in on the 2000 tick.
Order filled.
Oh man.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Nervous. Haven't had a trade in so long. See, we're picking up here. We might lose.
Order filled.
Wow. All right. We lost.
Order canceled.
Very quick. Might have to take this again.
Order filled.
Get up to that. Not a good day, huh?
Order filled.
Gosh.
Order canceled. Order filled.
What the hell?
Order canceled.
I do want
Order submitted.
to hit that first. Probably be my last trade for sure. God, man. Horrible day today. Might be it. This might be it, ladies and gentlemen. Dry ass month. Slow ass month. Red ass month. Crazy. We're done.
Order canceled.
What the fuck is that? We're done. Alright. Market's not marketing today, man. It is what it is. Alright. Okay, so the reason why I'm trading all day is because I've been doing a lot of back testing. Since in my other video I was talking about going in with 3 contracts and using my profit from last month, which I already blew today. Instead I'm just sticking with only 2
Order filled. Order submitted.
Alright.
Order filled.
Alright, we got smacked. Basically, none of my setups were really working. That's just plain and simple. Definitely going against the trend. I mean, I tried to get in here, but, nothing was really working. It's fine, though. I mean, it happens. It is what it is. I also want to go over about how I said in my last video that I was going to up my position size to 3 contracts, but I want to take a different approach. That's why I traded all day until like 3 o'clock. I was back testing all the way from January, and plus, like as you can see, doing pretty good. And then these are the numbers all added up at the end of the month. Now the bottom numbers right here, 5,512 is from just trading 1 day and taking 1 trade a day, right? Win or loss. And then the 8,050 was taking multiple trades during the day, all day till market closed, or all day until like 3 o'clock. Pretty good. Go to February. February is a light month, so I'm just back testing different ways I can trade and obviously make money. Light month, February, 3,274, and that's from trading 1 day. 2686.50. That's still pretty good in my opinion. March, here we go. Bottom numbers for the end of the month. If I traded 1 day, if I traded 1 time a day, 2,275. If I traded multiple times a day, 5187. Still pretty good. Green for all these months with good money. April was a crazy month right here. So for 1 day, 45.86. For all day trades, 10,299. That's crazy. May, really light month. May was kind of whack. 151 and then 1,600. So I mean, it's give or take if you have a negative month or positive month. June, here we go. June was a little iffy month right here. And I did trade June, but I didn't trade all of June from the 3rd to the 28th. I only traded from the 13th from the 28th on mini contracts. But either way, I did profit last month, but that's gone now from today. But it's all good. I'm not mad because I know I'm comfortable with my strategy and I am confident. So look, 2187 from one trade a day, 2800 from trading all day. Pretty good. Now we're in July. So I am writing down all my trades in this little notepad. Really bad day, horrible. So I'll add my numbers in from the trade that I just took and call it a day. That's my new approach. Is it a bad idea? Not to me, because I am very comfortable with trading my strategy and how I trade. So one bad day is not going to define anything at all. I'm not emotional about it. I'm a little ifed out about it, but it's the way it is. It's trading. It's part of trading. So I'm done, and let's get it. Another day tomorrow.